Okay, we're here today in beautiful Devon in the southwest of England at Howden Forest to try out the two Meyra chairs off-road. So we've got the MC2 RS capable of doing off-road terrain here. As you can see, the scenery is beautiful, and when we've finished here we're going to take it into the bike park to see how these fare.
Take power and good looks to the next level with this special edition MC2 RS power chair, beautifully engineered by Meyra. Highly manoeuvrable for indoor or outdoor use, this 8 mile an hour rear-wheel drive can tackle a multitude of terrains with ease. There's plenty of upgrade and customization options to bespoke this Rascal Rehab power chair to your needs. This model is crash tested, can accommodate a maximum user weight of up to 160 kilos, features 15-inch drive wheels and stands out with its exclusive RS seating system and design. Experience the power of the MC2 RS for yourself and inquire today.